Welcome. This is your time to unwind, your time to breathe, to soften, and to come home to yourself. You have reached the quiet of the evening, and now you get to rest. Take a slow breath in and gently exhale. Feel your body easing into stillness. Let the weight of the day begin to melt away. You do not need to rush. You do not need to do anything right now. You are safe. You are here. You are allowed to be still. Breathe in calm. Exhale tension. Feel your shoulders soften. Feel your jaw release. Feel your chest open, as if space is being created inside you for peace. You made it through this day, and that is enough. Whatever happened today, whatever you carried, whatever you felt, you made it through, and that deserves kindness. Let your breath cradle you, slow and gentle, steady and peaceful. Now begin to bring to mind the moments from today, not to judge them, not to analyze, just to witness. Moments where you tried, moments where you showed up, moments where you were simply doing your best, even if it felt hard. Offer yourself a quiet whisper of appreciation. You did what you could today, and that is enough. Think of one small thing from today that brought you warmth or relief, or a tiny spark of goodness. Maybe a smile, a sound, a kind word, a calm moment, a small success. Even the courage to continue when things felt heavy. Let gratitude rise gently in your heart like a soft evening light. Let it warm you from the inside. And now release anything that still feels tight or unfinished or heavy. Release the pressure. Release self-judgment. Release the belief that you had to be perfect today. Whisper inward. It is okay to rest. It is okay to let go. It is okay to be human. Your breath is slow and deep now. Every exhale softens the day behind you. Every inhale invites peace into your body. You are allowed to close this day gently. You are allowed to choose peace as your final act. Now repeat softly in your mind or out loud. I am grateful for this day. I appreciate the effort I gave, even if it wasn't perfect. I release worries and invite peace. I am worthy of rest and kindness. I honor my emotions and my journey. I choose to end this day with calm and gratitude. I am growing every day in small and beautiful ways. I am proud of myself for showing up today. Let those words settle into your heart. Feel them rooting inside you like soft evening earth holding seeds of peace. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out release. You have done enough. You are enough. Right here, exactly as you are. May your evening be gentle. May your heart feel light. May your mind rest softly. May sleep come with sweetness and peace. When you're ready, stay in stillness, or slowly open your eyes, carrying this calm inside you. Good night. Rest well. You deserve peace.